In this video, we're gonna see a comparison between the three best budget tools, which are Firefly 3, Actual Budget, and You Need a Budget. We're gonna break down the features, ease of use, pricing, and who each tool is best suited for. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's start with Firefly 3. Firefly 3 is an open-source, self-hosted personal finance manager. It's perfect for users who want full control over their financial data. Since it's self-hosted, you can install it on your server, giving you completely privacy and customization. It has expense and income tracking, budgeting and forecasting, and multiple accounts and currencies. Also, it has a very customizable categories and tags, and detailed reporting and visual analytics. Also, you can do automatic transaction imports via API. No recurring subscription fees are required to be on Firefly 3. Some of its pros: it's 100% free and open source, highly customizable and private, and it is great for tech-savvy users. But it may require hosting and setup knowledge. It has limited support compared to commercial apps, and it is not ideal for non-technical users. Now let's move to Actual Budget. Actual Budget is a privacy-focused budgeting tool that works entirely offline. It's simple, no-frills app designed for those who want to complete data ownership without relying on cloud services. Some of its features: it has envelope-style budgeting, offline functionality, real-time budget updates, and you can import transactions via CSV. Also, it syncs between devices over a local network. It has no internet dependency, it is simple, distraction-free interface, and has one-time purchase, no subscription. But basic features compared to You Need a Budget, and it has limited integrations, then syncing can be a bit tricky. And finally, let's go to You Need a Budget, or YNAB. YNAB is a popular subscription-based budgeting app that emphasizes the give every dollar a job philosophy. It's known for its user-friendly interface and robust financial planning features. Some of its features: it has goal setting and expense tracking, bank syncing, real-time updates on multiple devices, and comprehensive budgeting tutorials. It provides reports and spending trends and multi-currency support. One of its pros: it is great for beginners and advanced users, excellent support and community, and regular updates and new features. But on the other hand, it has a subscription fee of $14.99 per month or $99 a year. It is limited with customization compared to Firefly 3 and privacy concerns with bank syncing. So, which one you should choose? Choose Firefly 3 if you're a tech enthusiast who value privacy and customization. Go for Actual Budget if you want a simple offline solution without subscription. And finally, pick YNAB if you prefer a guided budgeting experience with comprehensive financial planning. And that's it for today's comparison. Let us know in the comments which budgeting tool you prefer and why. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance tips and app reviews. Thanks for watching.